इस मॉड्यूल में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सब फाइलम हेक्सोपोड्स यानी इंसेक्ट्स के अंदर फिरोमोन्स का क्या रोल है और वो किस तरह बॉडी के अंदर डिफरेंट फंक्शंस को कंट्रोल करते हैं। हमने हार्मोन्स को डिस्कस किया। हार्मोन्स जो हैं दे वर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स, लेकिन फिरोमोन्स जो हैं दे आर केमिकल्स एंड आर रिलीज्ड बाय द केमिकल्स एंड कैन कॉज बिहेवियर और फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस in another member of the same species, not only in their own but can affect the other members of the same species. Zoologists, they have described different use of pheromones in different kinds of insects. Pheromones जो हैं अक्सर ये specific होंगे, that is ये जो हैं chemical composition अगर हम इनकी देखें they are stereoisomers, chemical mirror image of one another and are ineffective in initiating in any response. इसके अलावा wind या water that can carry the pheromones from the site where they are produced to several kilometers away, और few pheromone के molecules जो हैं they are also falling on chemoreceptors of another individual so that they may be helpful in producing in any response in that individual also. Releaser pheromones initiate करते हैं immediate behavior responses insects के अंदर whenever they are received, जबकि primer pheromones जो हैं they cause physiological changes in the animal that ultimately results in their behavioral responses. Thus, a male insect may be attracted to an attempt to copulate with an intimate object to have a sexual pheromones. तो pheromones जो हैं ये behavior भी हो सकते हैं, they can also cause impact on the sexual behavior also. So this is the pheromones that are produced. These are the chemicals which are produced by the insects and they can travel several kilometers away through the wind as well as through the water and can have impact on the another member of the same species and can change their behavioral responses not only to different kinds of behavior but can initiate the sexual behavior of the member of the same species also.